Accept the Challenge with Scott Carroll and Brad Frost is brought to you by CVA, Luminoc, Big Game Butter, Next Camo, Rangeland Hunting Adventures, Locked On 360. Closed captioning is brought to you by Hunter Safety System.
All right, hey, Accept the Challenge TV down here in Georgia. Got Prostaffer and good friend Jay Flowers from Kansas with us, and Jay Bird. Let's, what you say we try to maybe put a hog or two on the ground?
You bet. We're back down here with our good friends Brad and Scott. They got some new hog cheese, and we're gonna go hook up a hog. Yeah.
Hiding behind Jay Bird. We don't want the hog to see it just yet. Don't want to show them our hand yet.
We don't want to show them our hand, so we're gonna take the old CVA down there. We're gonna spread a little hog cheese. We're gonna lay something down. Wait.
Two with one shot, brother. Give me some.
Don't get much better than that.
It don't. I told Jay Bird, I was like, you might be able to get two, you know, and he's like, if you want it to happen, it'll happen. So I was like, make it happen. I got the camera on him, plugged my ears. Man, old CVA parked. Two hogs down right there, laying in the hog cheese, man.
They were definitely.
They were
liking that hog cheese better than they didn't want anything to do with corn. They were coming right to that hog cheese.
Two hogs down with one shot. Give me some, brother.
Accept the challenge. The old CVA bit.
Single shot rifle, man. Two hogs down. You know, people can talk about a single shot rifle all you want to, but if you're good, you're good, brother. I was proud when I got 3 in one afternoon with 3 shots. You got 2 with 1 shot. He's saving ammo too. Good job.
That's right. I only brought a few. I didn't want to use them all up on one round. So.
All right, man. Well, Jay, one of the best shots ever seen.
old CVA 308, put 2 hogs down right here in the hog cheese. That was one of the things we come out here to do. Put some hogs down. Let's see how good this hog cheese is, and I'm a believer. Are you?
Oh, it made me a believer instantly, because most of the time, you know, it was the corn, but boy, they didn't even worry about that corn. As soon as they come out, they went right to that hog cheese, and, you know, they didn't mill around, they just started eating it.
Stuck their nose in there and didn't jockey around a whole lot, and it, you know, after about maybe 10 or 15 seconds, we were like, hey, maybe able to get 2, and you're like, if you want it to happen, it'll happen. So many of these that we can take out, the better off our land's going to be, our deer herd's going to be. And the hog cheese really paid off for us today. You guys check them out if you want to get some hog cheese for yourself. Got hog problems. It's biggamebutter.com. They also make big game butter, and that's for your deer herd. Full of protein and fat, and great products. You'll see us use them all this year. Good job, buddy. Awesome.